అందరూ భావులు నా వందనం. If I had been told in advance by Dr. Sunita Raj, Madam, we would like you to speak in Telugu, I would have definitely made an effort and come prepared to face this august audience and speak in Telugu. I came to Andhra Pradesh 2 years back and did not know a single word of Telugu. I have picked up the language after coming here. So to speak in front of a gathering, I have to pick up a lot of courage to speak in Telugu. So please excuse me for this. Respected Dr. Geeta Reddy Garu, respected Honorable Justice Chandra Kumar Garu, respected B. Janardhan Reddy Garu, and of course, a most respected lady who has achieved so much, Dr. Sunita Raj. Dear gracious ladies assembled here, and as always, the very, very gentle men. May I at the outset, why should not be given to all women all days of the year? That is, every day of the year would be a Women's Day and not just the 8th of March. I must also compliment today's awardees. I feel very small in front of all of you. You've achieved so much in life, and all that I have done in my life is married a person who happens to be a governor, and because of that sthana balam, I'm standing here in front of you. I feel very small in front of all of you. The She Foundation, indeed, intended to generate health and educational awareness, is indeed doing a yeoman job, particularly amongst women and girls. If I was to do something, and in the past, as and when I've got opportunities, these two have been my pet subjects: the girl child and education of women. That has always been my ideal in life, wanting to do something. Today, the most important need for a girl child, if she is to grow up into a woman and realize her full potential, is education. An educated woman is an empowered woman. Unless we provide 100% education to every girl of our country and allow her to complete her education and move ahead, women empowerment will always remain a myth. Look at our Honorable Minister, Dr. Geeta Reddy. She is a symbol of women empowerment. And that too, she has achieved this in the field of health, and that too, health of women in general. She's a doctor, and a doctor for women, so she has achieved everything in her life, and I think it is only because of her education. The same way, today, Dr. Sunita Raj, what she has done for society in general, she has been able to achieve this. It is because of her education. That is what I'm saying. Let us educate every woman, every girl, like how Dr. Janardhan Reddy said. Educate a woman and you educate the entire family, and she in turn educates the society. That education of women is the most important need of the hour today. The other important prerequisite for women is health. Unless good health is there, there's nothing that a woman can do. And all of us, I feel ashamed to say me too included in that group of all ladies, we tend to ignore our health. We hesitate to go to a doctor.